Hello friends of plus 2. Good morning. After 2 days, third Saturday and Sunday, we are meeting again. Continuing the topic, human reproduction, lesson. The topic is structure of sperm and structure of ovum. I mean structure of gametes. Yeah, the day before yesterday we studied about the oogenesis and spermatogenesis. You must be well aware about it. You must have made the diagram. I am regularly making the diagrams, and today also I have made the diagram of the human gamete, male gamete as well as female gamete. You make with your own hand the diagram and label it well. Without labeling, without making diagram, we will not be able to make the diagrams in the examination. Practice is must. So, continuing the topic, structure of the male gamete, it is male gamete haploid formed by meiosis in testes, gonads. Gonad and gamete, you know the difference. Gonads are the primary sexual organs, and gametes are the sex cells formed by meiosis after maturation or puberty. In male, the puberty is at the age of 16, 13 to 16. In female, the puberty is from the age of 10 to 13, age. So, the male gamete, the gametes are stored in the testes or that very epididymis, caput kata epididymis, and if we study it in detail under electron microscope, it is made of 4 parts: head, then neck, middle piece and tail. Head is made of acrosome. Head is made of acrosome. It has nucleus and mainly chromosomes and surrounded by membrane. There is a small neck with proximal centriole and distal centriole and ring centriole. Middle piece has much mitochondria because it has to give energy for the movement of the sperm. Then there is tail. Tail gets to take the energy for the movement of the sperm. The formation of the sperm is in 74 days, and it is viable for the 24 hours. It can be living in the 24 hours. Then the sperm has axial filament, exonyme, viability I told you 24 hours, and powerhouse mitochondria in it. It has no cytoplasm, less cytoplasm, because it needs more energy, and the ovum has more cytoplasm. So next diagram I like to tell you the structure of female gamete. That is the ovum. Ovum has mitochondria and more cytoplasm, very big than the sperm, covered by membranes, vitelline membrane, zona pellucida, corona radiata. Then it is genetically programmed because it can have 23 chromosome female gamete, 23 chromosome from mother, 23 chromosome from father. That genetically programmed means every gene has programming, every gene has characters, and we are, as our parents gave us the gametes, genes, DNA, and by the grace of God. So gene and DNA is very important for every organism. Yes, you study at home the difference between male gamete and female gamete. Or next concerning topics are very interesting: menopause and menarche. Can you tell me the meaning of menopause and menarche? Menarche in females, it is the topic concerned with females. Menarche is the start of the ovulation. You can say menstruation, or menopause is the stoppage of the menstruation. It is between the age of 13 and 45. Or in total life, the female gives out only 13 into 32 eggs in life, because and the ovulation stops after the age of 45. So we will study this all about in menstruation cycle, menstrual cycle. So menopause, a very important part of life, and the female should know that what happens during the menopause and what happens during menarche. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much. You study at home and be regular, be patient. अपने हौसले और घोंसले को मत छोड़िए. Thank you. Bye.